Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Well, today we are leaving for Buttercup. As you can see, I am loaded up, ready to go. So let's go ahead, let's get in the camper and start driving. Well, we made it. We are down here at Buttercup and I am set up. I got the mini bike, got the baby quad, and the old Pioneer. So we'll start heading over that way. Sorry for the wind. And we got some dunes up here. We did a quick test hit and everything was good. I lowered the air pressure down to 7.5. So let's go ahead and get some riding videos. Thanks, Larry.
No doubt. I was thinking about the weight as we're crawling up the top. I'm like, I hope we don't have to back down this or turn around.
So is it flat up there?
Yeah, there's just a little shelf. No problem. You are coming back, right? I want to walk to camp.
Here's one of our stops out here at Buttercup. It's old Bronco, Blazer. I don't know. Let me know below. Well, there you have it, another Dune trip down in the history books, the last one of this year, 2020. What a heck of a year. Y'all know what I mean. Pioneer did absolutely great. We took it everywhere. I went up Comp Hill 4 times actually. A lot of fun. There's some Rangers out here, so don't let anyone tell you if you have a side-by-side that's not a sport machine, that's a utility like mine, that you can't go out and have fun at the dunes, because you can. I've brought the Pioneer out here 3 times, once in stock tires, once with paddles, and now in the portals, just like the side-by-side blog did. Now I'm only running 35s, but you know what? I did great, especially being 74 inches wide. We carved a little bit. I mean, I didn't get into the transitions, but we had some fun. I mean, it was just an eventful weekend out here for 4 days. We saw somebody learn how to hang glide, got to pull a stuck razor out of the sand. What else did we do? We had some people get stuck over here. We're going to pull them out here in a few minutes. We mounted some tires for Shock and Off-Road. Check his channel out. The link is in the description below. That was fun, using the old ether method and a lighter, and poof. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Have a happy new year, and until next time.